In this webinar, we'll show you the key features of eCommerceCart that can take your business to the next level of e-commerce growth. First, we'll start with a live site tour. Then, we'll go inside the platform to quickly see reporting, products, and categories, as well as design themes. Next, we'll point out the most popular marketing features for e-commerce business owners, especially SEO, special promotions, and email. Quick background, eCommerceCart is an e-merchant product. eMerchant has supported more than 8 billion in payment transactions since 2002. We developed eCommerceCart because we have a very deep expertise in e-commerce payment solutions and because our clients were asking us for a scalable e-commerce platform that already included our gateway. So we launched eCommerceCart. While we think there are a lot of things that set eCommerceCart apart from other platforms, there are 3 things we'd like to highlight. 1, our comprehensive set of 450 built-in features. It's included at every price level. 2, it's really built for growth. So you can start and stay with our professional templates, or if you want to customize your website design or even work with our development team on custom cart functionality, you can, anytime you're ready. 3rd is our client service. We believe it's our duty to advocate for our merchants, from bank negotiations such as rates or reserves, to working with your industry's leading business software for integration. That's eMerchant's unique approach. Now, let's jump into a site tour. Here we go. So as you'll notice, we've got a local tile company as our demo site. And at the very top, we're using top-level navigation, but depending on which template you use, you might use side navigation if that works better for your business. In the slider area, you can choose the number of images and even change the copy that's specific to your business. Some of our templates have 2 promotional boxes if you really want to feature certain products in a good way. Let's skip featured products right now and go down to manufacturers. So if your business, if you resell brand names, really important to include those names for credibility and also for SEO on your website. We have a newsletter box so you can have newsletter subscribers and do your marketing. And then one of the more unique features of eCommerceCart is that you can build site pages outside of your store. So you can build about us and many types of pages that are very keyword-rich, content-rich that can really help you boost your SEO performance. Now let's go back up to the featured products. So let's look at glass tile 1. A few things you might see. So right now we've got it on sale. You can use a sale feature, you can use a hot deal feature, and these will actually be automatic icons that will pop up to give your products extra visibility. And then we also have product reviews, so just like Amazon, good reviews can really help you sell more products. So we invite you to encourage your clients to leave great reviews. Let's click on a product page. When we take you on the tour of the back end of the system, you'll see where you're able to change your product name, create a product ID, set up the weight, and then even attributes. These are a great way to actually manage per product. So if you have one product but it comes in multiple colors, for example, or different types of material, or even different sizes, that's a great way to just give the options here for your customers. You'll notice you can also, if you wish, set a minimum or maximum order. So we've set here a minimum order of 100. And then we also automatically enable certain sharing features like email this product to a friend or promote it through social media. But if you're not ready to do that, you can just disable that within the platform. It's got the product description that you can write. And this is one of the nifty features we like about eCommerceCart. There are, again, additional promotional opportunities for your products. So this one, we've actually enabled products you might like, and we've chosen products here that might be similar to the other product that's on this page. That way you can cross-promote products or try to make sure you get additional sales. Let's see another way for navigation. Let's go back to the home page, and we earlier clicked on just the actual product that was being featured. But you'll want to set up your product within categories because that's usually the way most clients are going to navigate through your site. And again, here's a sample category page. We've put a lot of content on it. Could be a great area for SEO. And now let's click through an actual part of an order process. So here we're on that product. I'm going to add to the cart. Just to point out on this page, we've got a little promo box opportunity for you. So if you'd like to send out a promotional code to your newsletter subscribers, or perhaps during certain seasons, let's say the month of October kind of boosts holiday sales or pre-holiday sales, you can send out a promotional code people can use for a discount. The checkout form, and in eCommerceCart, you can customize the forms, even add or subtract additional fields if you like. And this one, just to point out, last thing on this page before we take a tour inside, is that the default is it's optional for customers to set up an account. You don't have to require it. But if your business does need to require it, you can enable that option too. Alrighty, that was a quick site peek at a live site. So let's go inside the platform and take a tour.
Okay, great. Here we are inside the admin panel for eCommerceCart, and I'm going to show you how you could set up a site like the Irvine Tile Company. Now, this is what you would see after you signed into your admin account. So we have a sample admin account here. And just so you know, you're allowed unlimited admin accounts with eCommerceCart. Some of the competitors only limit you to 1 or 2 admin accounts at the lower pricing tiers, but we give you unlimited admin accounts at all pricing levels. And so this is your dashboard, and it's a snapshot of your business, and you can set it by different time periods. And we don't have a lot of sales in this one. Obviously, this is a demo account, and you would have much more sales from your shopping cart. Okay, great. I want to point out that, while this dashboard is just, certain elements of your performance, you could go over here and look in reports, and we have a wide variety of reporting options for you. Again, some of our competitors really hold back reporting at the lower pricing tiers, and we provide advanced reporting at all pricing levels, so it really helps you to manage your business. Great. I'm going to review our products and categories and our front end and our marketing today. So this is going to show you how you could build a beautiful site like the one we just showed you. Great. Here we go into products and categories, and we like to start with categories. So just like a person would be shopping in a brick and mortar store, you would shop by aisles, and so you would be looking at categories of products. So you want to do that in your online store as well. So here, because this is a tile company, we have glass, modern, penny, Spanish. So let's click on glass. And here's what you would do to set up your category page, and this image probably looks really familiar. Awesome. And search engine optimization, so SEO is available on the category page, and we're going to dive into SEO when we talk about products. So let's go over here and browse our products. So looking at these glass tiles, you can also see we have modern tiles and penny tiles, all these different products that go with the different categories that we set up. Just as a note, like if I wanted to manage something across all my product levels, like let's say I wanted to do a bulk edit, I could do that right here. Or if I wanted to export all the information into a spreadsheet, I could do that here. And then what I could do is make whatever changes I wanted, and then I could come over here and import that information back into my site. So really a lot of convenient, efficient ways to manage the products that you have in your site and just do overall inventory management. What we'll do is we'll take a look at what is available just on a product page here. A lot of information. Here's our product name, Glass Tile 1. Not super creative, but I'm sure you could do much better with your site. We would like to change this product ID. So originally this product name generated a product ID of Glass Tile 1, and somewhere along the lines maybe we changed it just to Glass Tile. Now we want to change it back to Glass Tile 1. Super easy, just edit right there in the field. This product, because it's something that you can touch and feel, is tangible, but you could also sell virtual products on your site, such as a downloadable or a membership. Coming down here, you can see that this product, as you remember, was on the home page, and that's because we clicked this box. This product is showing on our storefront. In general, we could hide it from the storefront if it was a product that we weren't offering anymore. Stealth product is something really cool. If you have a product set that's specific to a certain client or that's personalized, you could create the product in your site, and then you could make it accessible only through a direct link. So that's a really unique feature that could be super applicable to a certain client base. Great. If we keep going down here, we'll see that we can track the inventory at a product level, or we could choose not to do inventory tracking at all. And we think it's best, to show our customers that a product is out of stock. It helps to manage their expectations, so you can choose an out of stock message or choose not to display it. Now, of course, there are multiple ways to offer free shipping throughout our site. You could do it as a promotion across the entire site, or even with a threshold. For example, if it's orders of $50 or more, and then they could get free shipping. Or if you just wanted to offer free shipping product by product, you could do that here by just clicking this box. Overview and description, super easy to just cut and paste information and do different formatting directly inside the site. And then also here we had uploaded this product image just from our computer. Super easy. Now looking at SEO, for this product page, you can see the options that are available. My favorite part here is this search results preview, so you can see exactly how something would appear in the search results. Let's say I wanted to change this because really in my branding, I have Irvine Tile Company abbreviated there. I could see exactly how that would appear. Super cool. Okay, over here with attributes and variants, if you remember with this glass tile, we had color options, and those are set up right here, and we can make them required, but in our scenario, the price didn't change with the options, but you could set that differently if you'd like. Also here we have product promotions. That's specifically our buy one, get one promotion that's available within our site setup, and quantity discounts. Other ways that you can really promote products on your site and drive incremental sales is through having recommended products or bestsellers, or of course what we discussed earlier, those product reviews. And those would all be managed here. Great. Let's go on to looking at how you would set up the front end, which is through managing themes. You can see that our current theme right here is the urban living theme. And here is the example page. But you can use urban living or any of these other themes regardless of what business type you have. So let's click on Edit Theme. And here we have the Irvine Tile Company. This looks very familiar. And on the left-hand side, you can see that our navigation has changed to be design elements. So we have fonts and colors and different navigation components of your site. Let's click on the slider settings. So this middle slider right here is managed through here, and I'm going down to see, look, there's where we uploaded the picture that you see here on the right. and we set the headers and the captions. Now let's say I wanted to make an edit, and instead of saying ready for the 20s, I wanted to say ready for the 2020s. And you'll see that that change is immediate, right here to the right, and I can see what it looks like. Looks great. So obviously you don't need to be a coder to make very substantial changes to a website to really make it your own. But if you did want to hire a coder and do more customization using HTML and CSS, you could have that person operate in the file manager, and they would upload files into here. Great. Well, let's exit the designer. And I wanted to point out a few other things that we have available. Site pages. So if you remember, pages like About Us and the Terms and Conditions, Contact Us, you saw those earlier in the demo, and you would create those here. And custom forms that we use in things like Contact Us are really great to give you options, even if you wanted to get information for quotes or other things that might be unique to your site. Snippets is another area where if you wanted more customization, you could cut and paste code. Like for example, MailChimp has a pop-up feature, and they have a piece of code that you could cut and paste into the snippets area, and it would deploy into the right area of your site and enable that pop-up. So it would be an example of how you could do some customization for your site without knowing a great deal of code. Okay, excellent. Let's go into marketing. And I want to point out these SEO settings. So when we looked at SEO under products, that was for the product page. You saw that it was also available for the category page. Here's where you would put all the SEO settings for your home page. And look at this, virtually every other page for your site. So extensive SEO options and tools available to you. Promotional discounts would be managed through here, and these are promos that would be across the entire site. So you could add a promo code. If you remember at the checkout, we showed where you could have your customers enter promo codes. You would set those up in here, and really great, you can put end dates to those so they're time specific. I'll start here with the follow-up campaigns. This is your email marketing that's available within the site, yet another way to bring customers and traffic back into your website. And you can see here that I set up a 1-week follow-up. So I wanted to bring customers back to the website 7 days after they completed an order. Hope you love your tile. And you can see I had both the logo and customized messaging here. Drift marketing campaigns are my favorite type of email campaigns, and this is for the abandoned carts. We have posted an article to our blog recently that talked about abandoned cart emails and the fact that 70% of all carts are abandoned. And of course, if you have an e-commerce business, you already know that abandoned carts are a big issue. So here's a way that you could set automated emails to go out to your customers. So here's our first email that we sent out, and we want that to go out within 15 minutes of when that cart is abandoned. And best practices say that you should send your first email within the first hour. So we allow you to set different time increments, and you could set up multiple emails. So you could send out one in the first hour and then one, several hours later, however you think is best for your business. And so again, customized for whatever you want with your logo and whatever messaging you choose. And interestingly, these abandoned cart email campaigns and the emails associated with them, a lot of shopping carts don't even offer this feature, but the ones that do usually reserve those for the higher pricing tiers, and eCommerceCart provides this capability at all pricing levels. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about migration. If you currently have an e-commerce website, we would be happy to assist you in migrating your customers, your orders, your product information over to eCommerceCart. And don't worry, you won't lose your SEO value and you won't lose your customer reviews. So to get started, we encourage you to sign up for a 14-day free trial, and you can find that on our website at eCommerceCart. If you have any other questions, feel free to call our sales team at 866-979-0260. We would be happy to help you. Thanks so much for joining us today. Goodbye.